Oh, could I get on top of the tunnel? Oh, yeah, easily.
Oh, easily. Watch me get up here really quick.
Adventure Yourboyreebs. I'm not gonna die.
Damn!
Sit down.
No. This is so sick, dude.
We'll see y'all soon. I hope. I'll be hella flaky on the videos, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm not wearing. Oh yeah. I was like, I'm in Dama, bro.
It's good Twix.
Damn.
Holy moly.
Holy moly.
Holy moly.
What is that?
I bought a new car, guys.
Is this an M3?
I traded it. I got Vaders. I kept my steering wheel. I got new wheels.
How long has it been since we did the flywheel and stuff?
2 months.
July?
Mmm.
January, February, March.
July 4th.
May. June, July. August.
August.
June, July, August, September.
Next week is October 4th. It's gonna be like 3 months, right? 2 months. 2 months.
3 months.
3 months.
3 months since I cried here. What's her name?
I don't know.
Wimble sauce.
We should make a coat out of that. I didn't say that.
Now you gotta make a scarf.
We didn't say that.
Make her into a scarf.
It's a dirty ass cat.
Oh, it is a dirty cat, bro. Oh,
Damn, what the fuck? What is this thing, bro? Shit, look at this. Damn. Bro, is this a Ford Windstar, bro?
the rarest.
The rarest minivan.
The rarest minivan.
Anyways, let's go for a drive, bro. Fuck all this. Let's go. Let's go.
Who is this here, bro? Who do you bring with you?
This is Cian. This is Sean.
Morning. Oh, hey, how's it going? I was in the hey, how's it going? Yeah.
This is a pretty clean car you got here. Market's kind of booming.
Yeah. Y'all know someone that's trying to buy one. Tell them to look somewhere else.
Anyways, so okay. Was the work all right? I think maybe if we took it a little slower, not so much of a rush, the work would have been better.
Yeah, we kind of rushed into it, and then maybe got a little stressed out when things maybe didn't go how we exactly planned it, which kind of did ruin, the mood. It would ruin the mood.
What have you done since then? What else? This car changes every once in a while, you know? He's got different wheel setup going on here if you want to come around this way.
Yeah, I got more wheels.
You got style 66s, staggered setup, right? Staggered setup.
We've stretched in the rear.
M3 bumper.
M3 bumper. Paint matched. My birthday was in July. My shawty hooked it up. She was like, here's my purse. Here's my credit card.
Here's my credit card. Baby, go get my purse.
Yeah.
Baby, go get my purse.
I was like, okay.
So we got a paint matched M3 front bumper.
Honestly, no one really gives a fuck, but I really like glass headlights.
Glass headlights.
I think they were worth it. If you can find them, get them.
How much did you pay?
I paid like $319, $320.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I saw some pop up for $250, so don't pay around $250, $300.
Brand new though. These weren't used, and they're not true, but
yeah, they're some
like
real
pretty
depots.
damn good replicas. Like,
Okay.
all
right.
Good.
Sway bar, front sway bar. White line.
The boys hooked it up on my birthday. I had a really messed up fender.
Oh, we changed the fender.
Went to the junkyard, found a silver fender. It is minty. Look at that. Look at that, minty.
Oh, no bumper?
Minty.
I mean, no bumper, no dents anyway.
No dents. You have a square body. I fixed the fallen trim right here.
We got a
seat.
NRG seat. Anyways, yeah. I mean, this car changes all the time. It's a simple setup.
Yeah.
Simple car. Nothing too crazy. It's not like the E30 where it's like one massive project. And
Yeah.
It's been very fun, I think.
Slowly changing.
I've enjoyed being a part of this car.
I try to do something once a month.
Yeah.
No, keep things
Pocket
fun.
turn. They're not hurting too much.
Not hurting too much. A little bit. I got a new car. You guys can see.
Pocket's hurting a little bit.
Pocket's hurting a little bit.
We're not gonna talk about that one yet.
Don't worry
My
about
pockets are. They're terminally ill. My pockets are.
His pockets need to be put down, bro.
Bro, I'm about to put my pockets down, bro. Like, I'm done. I'm about to call it quits.
I want a TI with like an M52 in it. I think that'd be cool.
Oh, was it good?
Yeah, it smells
nice
good in
there,
here.
right?
Yeah, it
Not
does.
bad.
You like yours?
Yeah.
Lefty too.
How's the flywheel chatter?
It's kind of annoying.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is the engagement point to roll back.
That is flywheel chatter.
That is annoying.
We're out here filming a little bit. I like up to 33, super nice drive. But we're like making this like edit, like taking these videos. I don't have a tripod, I don't have a gimbal, I don't have a go. This is all pretty impromptu, but like this shit mad low budget. Like I feel like it's super low budget, but we're just gonna have fun with it. They're gonna be like in the comments right now typing like, oh bro, this shit's so whack. Like why are you guys uploading this? But it's like, I'm gonna be real, you know? Like I wasn't ready for all this, but it's like fun, you know? But yeah, beautiful too. I mean, I'd let you look through the windshield, but it's dirty as hell. I gotta conceal my image. Let me get a video of you like
turn.
Yeah, let me get a video of you just nailing this turn.
Okay. This is the turn that scares me the most.
This one?
Yeah.
Did you spin out on this
This
one?
is the one I spun out on. Yeah.
Oh, is this gonna be an iconic moment right here?
Maybe.
Are you gonna spin
Yeah.
out
It might
again?
be fucking baller, or it might fucking be really sad and tragic. Y'all might see the fall. Oh, how are those flybys?
Oh, they're all right. Everything was pretty low budget, you know.
I was doing my best, you know.
Well, no, you were doing great. I have one camera, no GoPro.
I
no-
saw him out with his fucking phone. I saw that.
Anyways, so yeah, just fucking murder this corner right here, and then take it all the way into that one too.
Okay.
Oh, hi, it's just beautiful. We got some moving water down that way. Sean, over there. No way. We should go down there.
Just hang out down there.
We should go down there.
Oh, could I get on top of the tunnel? Oh yeah, easily.
Oh, easily.
You want to do that?
That'd be sick. That's hard. That's so sick. I love water, bro. I love water, dude.
He loves water.
The man loves water, bro. Watch me get up here really quick. Watch me get up here. Adventure Yourboyreebs. That's the best way to get. Huh? I'm not gonna die. Damn! I zoomed in and it looked really bad. Yo, this is my filmmaking journey right now. Are you coming up here? We should just hang out up here. We should park the car and hang out up here.
You gonna sit down?
No. I'm not really that scared of heights or anything, but this is kind of scary. I ain't gonna front.
Oh, he's coming through again. Yo, we just love this tunnel spot. I hope that looked good. What if that looked bad? What would I do in my life? This is so sick, dude. Sean's up here. Damn. We should just hang out right here. We should park the car right there.
Look at that.
What?
You see that cave?
Oh, there's a... Dude, people lit fires in here.
Dude.
Dude, this is probably from like the Stone Age. Oh, there's a little cave. That's so cute. That's sick. He's just hitting that. All right. That's good enough for me. That's plenty shots. There's a cave up there. What is that?
How were those?
That was alright. Oh, the shot's awesome, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I was gonna keep going right now, but my foot kind of slipped on accident, sorry.
Alright.
I like them.
I think we're gonna end the video right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'll miss him. I hope I don't see y'all like in 3 months.
No, you'll
I hope
see
it's like in a couple weeks.
You'll see him soon.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed.
We did. Say bye.
Adios.
I feel like that was whack. This is a very reflective episode for me.
Yeah.
Are my videos boring? No, he's a good friend. He's telling me no. Lie to me. All right, we're enjoying this. Go put some new parts on your car. Go find new things. We're gonna go see some running water. Go have fun. We're just having fun out here. Sean, thank you for joining me. Benny, pleasure as always.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys.
How was that driving, Sean?
We'll see y'all soon.
It's pretty good.
I hope.
Yeah?
I'll be hella flaky on the videos, bro. I ain't gonna lie.